Let us summarize the important points covered in this lesson. Two linear equations in the same two variables are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. The most general form of a pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. A pair of linear equations in two variables can be represented and solved by the graphical method, algebraic method. Graphical method. The graph of a pair of linear equations in two variables is represented by two lines. If the lines intersect at a point, then that point gives the unique solution of the two equations. In this case, the pair of equations is consistent. If the lines coincide, then there are infinitely many solutions, each point on the line being a solution. In this case, the pair of equations is dependent, consistent. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of equations has no solution. In this case, the pair of equations is inconsistent. Algebraic methods. We have discussed the following methods for finding the solution of a pair of linear equations. Substitution method, elimination method, cross-multiplication method. If a pair of linear equations is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, then the following situations can arise. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. In this case, the pair of linear equations is consistent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, the pair of linear equations is dependent and consistent. There are several situations which can be mathematically represented by two equations that are not linear to start with, but we alter them so that they are reduced to a pair of linear equations.